determine if the function is odd, even, or neither. Explain your answer. All we have to do is replace x by negative x and see what we get. Okay, replace x by negative x. Then f of negative x equals, this is x cubed is in fact x quantity x cubed, so negative x cubed over negative x squared plus 1. That is same as negative, and let's simplify this. Negative 3 times means negative x cubed over negative square means just positive, so x squared plus 1. This negative on the top we can pull that to the front, so negative x cubed over x squared plus 1. And this is, by the way, original function with negative in the front. So replacing x by negative x produces negative of original function. Okay, negative of original function. Original function is fx. That means the function is odd. Okay, if replacing x by negative x gives us same function without negative, same function, then that function would be even. If we get something else, neither. So in this case, odd. Let's move to the next question. Same thing, replace x by negative x. So x is negative x over x fifth means negative x to the fifth minus 3 times negative x cubed. Okay, negative x on the top, negative 5 times, negative 5 times, that will be negative x to the fifth. Now negative 3 times, that will be negative, and here is negative and negative 3 times. That negative and negative make positive, 3x cubed. Okay, and now we have negative on the top. There is a negative, but we need to factor this negative 1 to cancel with this. We cannot cancel because this negative is not for both. Let's try to do this. Negative 1 x on the top. From the bottom we can factor negative 1 out. Okay, negative 1 out, then this is x fifth. Okay, negative outside, so negative positive, then this is negative 3x cubed. Okay, if we distribute this negative 1, this will be negative x fifth, negative positive 3x cubed. So we can factor negative 1, then from negative 1 cancel. So what is left? X over x to the fifth minus 3x cubed, and this is the original function. So replacing x by negative x produces the original function. That means the function is even. Okay, in the previous question we found replacing x by negative x produced negative of the original function. That means odd. Okay, if we have something else, then it will be neither. Replace x by negative x, we get negative x squared. Whenever we have a square or cube fourth power, that's quantity. We have to make negative quantity, negative x quantity squared. Okay, minus 2 times negative x over 5 times negative x to the fourth plus 7. So negative square means negative times negative positive, so x squared is negative times negative positive 2x over negative x 4 times, negative 4 times, that will be positive, because when we multiply negative and even number of times positive. So 5x to the fourth plus 7. Okay, if we look at closely, the bottom is still the same, 5x to the fourth plus 7, but the top is different, x squared plus 2x, and we can never make this minus because it's already plus. So this is not the original function nor negative of original function. If we multiply by negative, then we will have both negatives. That's not the case, so neither. Okay, this is not original function, not negative 1 of original function, so neither.